Assalamualaikum. Hello my online friends. Welcome to Seventh English Debate. Today's our debate round is counter attack. So now I want to request both team captain for your counter attack. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Marizana Tismi in front of you. I'm reading class 7 of Mansana Adarsh Girls School and College. Today the debate is going on and the debate topic is past world is better than present world and just for some logical causes currently support this topic and today the counter attack part is going on. Here present are honorable moderator, all the judges, both team members, and the audience will take my cordial salam. I'm Umaheva speaking in front of you. I'm the first speaker of the opposite team. Today's debate is going on and today's debate topic is past world is better than present world. But I support present world. And today's counter attack round is going on. Honorable moderator, if my opponent's friends talk about the food of the past world, so I can tell them emphatically that the diet of farmers times is no way inferior to the diet of... So why you say that in past world in 180 that was past people live in forest and they eat uncooked food. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? The past world food is good, but now the food is good. What do you want to say? No. Present world food is good. In past world there wasn't food is healthy for people's health. What do you want to say? It is not good. All time present food is not good. How you want to say that? I also say that in past world there wasn't also some fault for us and there wasn't food was very good. So but I want to say that present all good isn't good because you people is getting mad. That is you don't say this because you live in present and you say about the past. So you go in past and say about that. How can you go in past? So you don't want to go in past. I want to live in present and say about the future. I think you are that you don't know about the present world. I know about the present world. People eat insects. Was a dog and a died people. So what you want now? That's not a logic. You give me the information that is not. You see also Japan, China, Korea, and many others. They work as 2015. They work as 2015 and they use the bullet pen and many things that was not so in it. So what you want to say? There wasn't a thing or there wasn't but there wasn't available because that is not that wasn't very good because people are in present world the communicate in past world there is also mobile phone there is also information to give me information. What do you want to say? There was telephone and in past world that means that's only 15,000 telephone we can't see the present world full world. We see with the technology full world and that was our world in hand of our world in all hand is in hand that is not good. What is good? No, that is not technology. That is not bad side. You don't say about the bad side because of the technology. Why I say? Because technology has most good things, but we don't know the radiation which the reason of the death of Madam Curie. That is now it is now that is very better than the past world. Now that is very so I want to say that radiation is the reason of the death of Madam Curie. No, that is treatment of the that is not treatment, that is a bomb and that is when that is blood. This is that causes the but that is also technology. So technology that is technology. Okay. Technology we use reading. So you said that thing has good side and bad side. So why you don't about the bad side? We did English and now our debate is video. So that is the technology and that said that it said that was not you are fully mad because you are mad. You are mad. You are mad. How you told that because I tell that in the phone. I don't say that the phone is bad for the people. I said people overuse it and that is bad for. No, no, that is even on Twitter, my dad. I don't know that debate is overuse of phone. Debate is the correct things. I give the example. But I give example, not all time. I don't say. I give example. Okay. Okay, say what you I say our debate is going on and our debate is continuous and our debate is video and it's fun. Upload it in Facebook and people will be it and it is support us. So how in password that was possible? That wasn't possible. So what you say that you want to go in password? So you go in password and put it and covered with the darkness. Shining in the sky and we are even on our face. All time people don't use the things of the phone when they want to see the phone. I said even on the people's mind. I say mind. Our debate is going on now and the record is in the phone. I want the girl was depend on her husband, but now girl wasn't depend her husband and not depend on anyone. They are self-dependent. You want in password? I hear that. You also hear that. You say that the information is for you don't see. You also don't see and that's you don't see and you also say that logic. That's your mother is also not. I don't. I think you are mad because she is also the teacher. I don't, and she is also girl of us. I don't. So why you say I don't say that all the time? I don't say. I say you say that password girl dependent on her husband. Yes. So why you say also girls of us and she get job in password? I also remember that. I don't say that. I want to say that in 180 there was girl in the room and the boy and the society were taught them. So why not? Why? I don't say 570 AD. I don't say that. So 570 AD in 70 not 70. Yeah, I said that 70 AD. If the girls can business, so in 100 AD, how the girls can that was Saudi Arabia, not the country. Not all countries. You see India. You see, and India there wasn't in password. They can give the girls chance for the go to school in password. So why you say that 180? How you say that because the Indira Gandhi, she is also was a girl. Indira Gandhi was a 180 prime minister. Not she is. She was the prime minister of you know the password of India. So how you say that? I say in 180 and I say that God was given on the her husband, but now the God is given in her no in password also God can job, God can business with not for all God only for the higher society God can go and go to the school, but not any student. No, there some girls are married. So what you say there? That was more than in password. No, that is one thing more or less. In password that was more, and now that is less. So what do you want to say? So you want to say that in past world there was more child marriage, but now there is less child marriage. Yes. So you child marriage. In past world that was child marriage. If you thought married me. Begum Rabia. She was married her husband in 16 years. So that is not 18 years. After 18 we say that she is a woman, not before the 18. So why you say that? How you say that? That was you already married. You already tell that all thing has a good side and bad side. So Begum in past there was more bad side, but in present was there is the good side is more, but in past one there was the bad side was more. So I want to say that Begum Rokeya was child marriage. That is right, but she called all the girls for the education. So what do you want to say? Other to no. All girls when she called the girls first the 5 girls. Then after day by day the girls was very big team. So 43 girls was many tortured by the society and by their family. And what do you want to say that in Hindu religion the people when their husband was born died and they want to they said that the girls the reason of her husband died and they put that they also murdered them. That was Sotida. So why you say that? I think you present also that's not Hindu religion. That's not religion. Muslim religion. Also Muslim religion. In Muslim religion there is no such like this. Like this, you what do you want to say? In past one, you say that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam time. That time the people are trust in many superstition. Not there wasn't any Muslim then. No. There in Muslim religion there was no superstition. So how you say that? Superstition also. What do you want to say? I want to give an example. You give an example. There was no superstition. They believe on the Quran. They believe on the Bible. You say because you give the example and you say that the Muslim religion the trust in the Quran. I want to say that you live in desert and you say that about all the religion. We need to trust all the religions, not only our religion. We respect all the religions. So what do you want to say? No. They don't respect. No. They respect that. They wasn't respect. In present month, there are 99% people is respecting other religion. No information is fully wrong. There was 45% people respect other religions. I think you don't listen my speech that I said that now the 99% people respecting other religion. So in fact there is also 99% people respecting other religion. That is not correct. In present world we respect all the religions, but in past in the time of the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam there wasn't people respect all the religions. If you want in past, so why Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam all time respect other religions? But not all. People, not all. I also don't say. I don't say Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wasn't respect other religions. I say Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam time the people wasn't respect the Muslim religion or other religion. We can call that all religion. I respect all religion respects the Muslim religion because I say no. They are murdered when the person will be get the I think you are bad because you need to go to mental hospital. Not me. What should you should? I say that 99% people. I say 45%. You prove that I am not prove that in past 45% people respected the other religion, not 99%. Yeah, that is 99%, not 45%. I want to say prove that. Yeah, you can prove that. Yes, I prove that. I will prove that. Give an example. So give me this device and I want to say that in past religion, and then other people who can't get any religion, they murder them. So how? That is justice. That justice? No, that is. I said that 99% people. That means one is not in 100. I said many people. I don't say just one. I give example. Just one example. I said just one people. You can get that one in 100. You know Abu Lahab? He was the bad people, and he ignored the people for they get the Muslim religion. So how you say that? I think you don't know that he all time don't murder all people because he suffered bad people. He suffered bad people. No, how you prove that? Because we know that I don't support Abu Lahab, but I want to give you logic that if Abu Lahab murdered the Muslim religion, so his niece. That means the Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I don't know the study. Please give me the proper. So you don't attend in my speech. So how I say that? I attend in your speech. You say that. I want to say that Abu Lahab brother's boy is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So why he don't murder him because he So how you say that? How you say that? But he want to murder but don't murder that.